And so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this under cabinet storage container. So inside of this is a storage container to put underneath your cabinet for like your Clorox and all of your cleaning items. So let's open this up, see what's inside of here. So inside of the box is, of course, some instructions. So you can see that's what it'll look like in the end. And then all of the little plastic pieces for everything are right here. So we're gonna put this all together by following the steps right here. And this is what it'll look like. And so here is this storage organizer all put together. All of these hooks are actually movable, so you know they can come right off and go wherever you need. And this bottom drawer is even slidable, so it can slide out. Drawer, and you need to pull this one out. This one is not movable, but there is all these hooks, and even these are also slidable as well. So it goes together really easy. The instructions are super simple to follow, and then gives you a ton of extra space underneath your cabinet.